verse 1, book 1. Bless the man that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor stand in the way of the sinner, stand in the way of the sinner, nor sitteth in the seat of the scornful.
Got it.
And but the delight is in the law of the Lord, and his law does it immediately, day in and day out. And he shall be like a tree planted by the river of water, that bringing forth his fruits in the season. His leaf also, the season of his leaf also shall not wither, and whatsoever he shall prosper. The ungodly are not so, but are like the cast, the shelf which the wind was driven away. Before the ungodly should not be stand in the judgment, nor sinner in the congregation of the righteous. That the righteous nor sinner in the I forgot what I was. For the Lord knoweth the way of the righteous, and the way of the ungodly should be perish.
Yeah.
Should perish. Well, excuse me for my misseeing thing. Well,
That's all right.
I can relate to a whole lot of that, because one time I was into, not one time, but my life seemed like it dwells on trouble, and I never could, nothing never really good happened to me, because I don't practice the way I should be practicing what the book tell you to practice. That make me a big mistake.
That's okay.
And I don't mean to say, I came here. Hopefully I'll be coming here more. I came here. I was talking to the Reverend. Tuesday, I think it was Christmas Day, and and he told me one thing. I agreed to it. He said, "Come as you are," and he told me, you can pay this much for that, or you come to church, and get it free. And I decided to come to church, but this is not my first dance in the church. Excuse me by saying that. I have been to a program before in North Carolina, Kannapolis, North Carolina, the Transition House. I did 2 years there, and it was all right. And I went to a church around there on 26th and Huntington, Cross Baptist Church. So I'm not new to church, but I never. The big thing was, I wasn't new to church, but practicing, putting that in effect, and that's the only problem I have,
We all do, brother.
Yes,
We all do.
well, so I hear some people, come up to you and try to tell you about how you should walk that walk,
Yeah.
and and then you look at them. How can you tell me how to walk that walk, and you're not doing a good job at it?
Yes.
That would discourage me a whole lot about things like that. People telling you what to do, and some people over sanctify.
Yes.
There's nothing wrong being sanctified,
Right.
but trying to force your view on somebody else when it's not, practical. That's why I have a rebellion side of me too, and I had done a lot. And to hear something like that, I had done a whole lot of wrong things in my life to have somebody come up here supposed to be sanctified, you know, and then I tried, you know, like, then that turned me off, you know, like,
Yes.
I'm not the best of person, but I'm trying.
You know, brother, you
yes.
know, Romans said, we're all fall short of the glory of God.
Yeah, that's why I like David, because David did a lot of
You know what I mean?
bad stuff.
Yes.
You know, like, he still believed in God, you know, and that. So,
All have sinned.
yes. You know, he had did a lot of things, you know, like, and it just so happened I opened the book, you know, and seen David there. You know, I remember that was my best thing when I was in transition house, you know, like, the place where they sent me, and that. And, you know, as long as you believe, you know, he'll forgive you, you know.
Yes.
I believe, you know, I still I be praying, and sometimes it seems like nothing don't happen, but I guess I'm impatient. You know, I should be more patient and wait on him, not when I want it, you know, like in that.
Right.
Oh,
Have faith,
and-
brother.
Yes, that's all I have to say.
Me too.